Have you ever wished your phone could just see and hear the world like you do, and actually understand what you need instantly? Google just made that future a reality for millions more people. If you've ever struggled to find info fast, this is a total game changer. Hey everyone, if you love staying ahead on killer tech tips, remember to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment below with your biggest AI hopes and dreams. Let's get into it. Google has just announced a massive expansion of its AI-powered Search Live assistant, bringing conversational search to nearly every corner of the globe. This isn't just a simple update to the search bar, it's a dedicated live portal that transforms how you interact with information. It actually lets you point your phone's camera at something, ask a question out loud, and get more than just a list of links. You get a full-on conversation with Google's AI in real time. It's search that talks back, understands follow-ups, and learns from what you see. And here's the truly impressive part of this rollout. You're not limited to English anymore. This feature is now live in over 200 countries. It supports dozens of major languages, 90 to be exact, covering everything from Hindi and Spanish to Arabic and Japanese. Imagine standing in a foreign country, holding up your phone to a cryptic sign or an unfamiliar device, asking, "How does this work?" And instantly getting a voice answer you actually understand. It's like having your own interpreter, tech expert, and tour guide in your pocket at all times. This worldwide rollout is powered by Google's newest breakthrough, the Gemini 3.1 Flash Live AI model. This isn't just a minor tweak. Flash Live is specifically engineered for audio-to-audio interaction. It cuts down latency to the point where the delay is almost imperceptible. Google reports that this model can follow a conversation thread for twice as long as previous versions. No more forgetting the start of your brainstorm. It also features what Google calls inherent multilingualism and advanced acoustic intelligence to detect the nuances in your voice. The model can actually detect emotional cues like frustration or confusion and adapt its speaking style to be more helpful or reassuring. But perhaps the most practical update is environmental filtering. It can isolate your voice from traffic, a loud TV, or a crowded cafe. This means much higher task completion rates when you're out in the real world, where things are rarely quiet and perfect. Let's talk about the multimodal side. This is where Search Live combines the eyes of Google Lens with the brain of Gemini. When you point your camera at an object, you can engage in a back-and-forth dialogue about exactly what you're looking at. And unlike older versions, this update integrates real-time search. It pulls live sports scores and breaking news into your voice conversation. Let's revisit that daunting, unassembled shelf from IKEA. You're staring at a pile of boards and screws, dreading the next few hours. With Search Live, just scan the mess. Ask, "How do I install this?" And Google's AI will walk you through it verbally while showing links for more. Or maybe you're under the hood of your car. Point the phone and ask, "How do I change the oil on this specific model?" and get a hands-free guide. No more fumbling for grease-stained instruction manuals or struggling with awkward, greasy fingers on a touchscreen. It's frictionless. The power of this model is already being harnessed by major companies. Verizon and the Home Depot are already deploying it in their contact centers. Developers are using new endpoints to build autonomous agents that can cross-reference spreadsheets and synthesize data from GitHub and Notion. For business leaders, this means Search Live isn't just for consumers. It's becoming a powerful tool for operational efficiency and data synthesis. In education, we're seeing AI mentors that provide personalized feedback based on a student's vocalized reasoning. It's a tutor that listens. In healthcare, it's acting as a health companion to help patients understand complex data built with strict, HIPAA-compliant guardrails. But with this much power and global reach, we have to talk about the elephant in the room: privacy. How is Google handling your personal data? Google has introduced a suite of granular privacy controls. The new personal intelligence feature, for example, is strictly off by default. You have to manually choose to connect Gemini to your Gmail, photos, or YouTube history. You remain in total control of what it can see. There's also a new temporary chat mode. Think of it as incognito for AI. These conversations aren't saved and aren't used for training. Google explicitly states that they do not train their public models directly on your private content like email inboxes or photo libraries. To ensure transparency, all audio generated by Gemini 3.1 includes SynthID watermarking, an imperceptible digital tag that identifies it as AI-generated. For enterprise users, data isolation is absolute. Content processed through Workspace or Gemini Enterprise is never used to train public models. With support for FedRAMP High and HIPAA, these updates make conversational AI a viable option for even the most regulated government and healthcare sectors. The speed of innovation here is staggering. From the Pro launch in February to the global rollout of Flash Live this March, Google is moving fast. So after seeing the full scale of what Gemini 3.1 can do, are you more excited or more concerned about this level of accessibility? Let us know, what would you use Search Live for first? Have you tried it yet? Share your wildest success story in the comments. Ready for a smarter assistant in your pocket? Google Search Live is changing how we get information forever. Don't get left behind. If you found this deep dive useful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Check out the related video popping up right now in the corner for more killer tech tips. Thanks for watching, and stay ahead of the curve. Catch you in the next one!